Hi guys, this is Elena. I'm recording this session from Amsterdam. And today our session dedicated for the people who just start with vibe coding and they are thinking about, okay, I do have an idea, but what next? What should I do? We will go through the stages from idea to the plan and to the first feature built in Modaal, the tool I'm developing. So let's begin. You do have an idea and you're thinking about, okay, I have an idea, what next? So before you go into any of the vibe coding tools, you first need to understand exactly what you built. My preferred way to understand this is actually start in Claude. And in Claude right now, I pasted an idea which came from one of the community members. She asked me to give these detailed instructions, so this is what I'm doing. I pasted her idea and let's a little bit polish it and a little bit make it more clear for the LLM to proceed. So the goal of this exercise with LLM to actually polish your idea and understand what exactly you're building. I will not be going into details of like how you actually validate your idea or think about is it a good idea or not. Let's assume that it's already done and this person really wants to build this specific idea. So this is my idea, she wrote to me. Okay. Okay, please write PRD. PRD is a product requirement document. It's a term that product managers are using. So basically a description of your app with different use cases and how app behaves in MVP. For the next idea. A sleep-focused journaling app designed for women navigating different life stages, including menstruation, perimenopause, and menopause. The app helps users build calm bedtime reflection habits through daily prompts. They can be answered with writing, voice notes, or photos, and handwritten journal entries. By capturing thoughts, emotions, and experiences before sleep, user can better understand patterns in their well-being and more connected to themselves. A simple calendar with allow users to entry and journey over the time. So I want the app to be the vibe and design like this one. So this block, my advice to actually delete from the PRD and building a design separately. And I will do this in a separate session dedicated specifically to the design. My usual approach is to build, I would say, functionality first. So basically, how your app behaves and what are the core functionalities, and then add design on top of this. It's just simpler for me. Everyone has their own approaches, but this is the approach I prefer. So let's start with the technical functionality. I right now using Opus 5, but if you have Fable, I advise you for planning use Fable because Fable is just Fable. It's much better for planning, the most advanced model. For execution, usually you can select simpler model. So let's start with PRD. So right now, it will be working on what I gave and also asking me some questions. You can also do this in Modaal, but my personal habit is actually to work with Claude on this piece, just because this is, it's just habit I built, and I keep also all marketing texts in Claude, all possible additional communication about app launch. So I usually start in Claude as a separate project, and I add my first prompt or my idea in a project folder and I work there. So this is like the approach that I found useful for myself. And right now it is building a PRD. And it will be giving us some PRD for app. I forgot to add actually here that is a iOS native Swift app. It's not a web app. So we probably need to add this. This is going to be a iOS native app on Swift. PRD I need as a star sync point to Modaal AI builder. Right now, if you shoot the message to Claude, it will also consider it for the first prompt. So yes, let's see how it goes. Okay, what we see right now, it built us a PRD. It understood that it's swiftui, Android coming soon. Yes, we are going to release a new update for the Modaal, which will help you guys to build Android also in native Kotlin. So it gave a product summary. So written in native iOS spec since it was built past coding, handwritten. Yes, okay, I see. No symptoms logging. Yes, and built strategy, MVP boundary, screen by screen with Swift UI components and data model. Okay, fantastic. I think it looks really solid. So we have different segments, we have non-goals, prediction, yes, understandable, design principles, one prompt, one night, missing night, not a failure, nice, private by default, okay, super cool, okay, entry composer, streak, photograph, good night, calendar, setting and prompt engine. Okay, fine. It looks good to me. So what we do right now, we are going to download this as a MD file into the computer. And then with this file, we are going to Modaal. So we are right now in Modaal. As you see, I built a lot, and Modaal is a tool that allows you to build production-ready iOS and soon Android applications. You plug your agent, and you pay only the subscription you pay for the agent. We don't charge per credits. You pay only per seat in Modaal as a tool. So right now I'm starting a new project, and because I already built my PRD, I'm attaching my PRD here. Yes, this is one sleep journal PRD. I don't need it to have any description because it's already there. And I select a default model. But if you wish and you want to have the best model, you definitely can select here the model you prefer, like Fable. But default recommended is totally fine also. When I press start new project, the agent will ask me to select the template because it's gonna be a big app and I'm going to invest a lot of time and I'm going to build it really for scale and for profit. This production app template is the best one. Let's start from it. So I'm going to next. Let's call it something. Night. Okay, night. So it's gonna be for iPhone and iPad. I think let's escape. We don't need. And let's press create. Right now, the agent will be analyzing my PRD and adjusting it based on the template I selected. At the end of this, I will be receiving from the agent a new PRD and the suggestions on the next steps. So right now you see Modaal asked me questions. The first three should be the first iteration cover. Okay, let's think about nighty loop only, calendar months, empty state. Okay, let's take the recommended one. How should entry persist? Behind survive recommended. Okay, fine. Anything hold back? Not really. Okay, let's submit this. And it will be continuing building our PRD. As you see right now, we already seeing our PRD built in Modaal. It's here. So you see we have README and we have PRD, and this is what I'm reading right now. So it's 9.9 product requirement document. It took parts from my PRD original from Claude and divided it by different sections. So you see these functional requirements I do have here: onboarding tonight, entry, good night, calendar, so different features, some non-goals, also user flows. I can go here and check what is inside. So primary flow first night. And then also it has an implementation steps, which are very important. So basically the agent tells you what is the best for you as a builder to start implementing first. So it is proposing to you start with a foundation, theming, models, and persistence. Then it proposes you to go to core features, the loop, then to the integration and polish. And so it is going to commit it and propose the next steps. For me, what should I do? What next? The mode selector has switched to execute. You see right now we are not in the plan mode when we plan everything which is coming here to the features. We are in execution mode, meaning that we right now will be executing our first step. So let's ask what is good to start from. Maybe some screen with mock data first. So, want me to build this now? So I reorder phase 1, build slice 1, theming tonight in memory repos, build theming only so I can judge the pattern, build slice 1, just advice. Okay, so let's maybe start with the slice 1. Tonight, it sounds logical. Okay, I see right now that Modaal actually launched a simulator and opened some of the screens. This looks fantastic. So what I see right now, so it said to me that it built a slice, theming, repaint palette, and it asks me to review it. So let's see what I have in my screen. Is it all placeholders? It looks like it is still placeholders. What took more out for today than it should have? Speak, photograph, and write. Yeah, it proposed very simplistic design because I didn't prime it for design. But you see, it started building your application slide by slide. Okay, first slide. Okay, looks good, committed. Nice. What you suggest to go next? Maybe suggest me the best next screens or user flows to build. So let's see what Modaal actually will be proposing. And my idea for you guys to actually start with plan mode every time then you build a new feature. So basically, once you build your main PRD and you saw your first screen, you need to draft somewhere in your head your plan. In this plan, my advice for you to outline basically, I'd like to start with this core user flow. So, for example, user is able to log in and register, or user is able to log their progression, or user is able to do that, and that. And every time you start this like big task, start with a plan mode. Once you start with a plan mode on this right panel, under the features, you will see the next one, 002, and the name of your, I would say, epic, with different phases to implement. So right now, pick any combination, it said to me. build the composer, add test and repurchase, reorder. Okay, let's maybe start with this one. Okay, what we have right now. So Modaal is finished the building and it asked me, so entire composer added the entry model and entry repository, answer state, and it is offering me to check how it looks. And as you see on the simulator, we have some changes. We see that the right part is kind of ready and I can test it. So let me check what took more of your today than it should have. Okay. Yes, for me it was yesterday, for example, bringing my child to dentist was really emotionally challenging. Emotionally challenging. Okay. Bringing my child to this test was really emotionally challenging. Okay. Okay, let's save. Saved. Sleep well. Nice. So let's close it. So bring my child was emotionally challenging on Tuesday, 25th, add another. Another one is, okay, waking up that early was not great. Let's make it like this. Save. Close. Night. Okay, nice. So basically what I have here, I can add different memories, different deflections. And surely, so the next step for me, I guess, is to go to Modaal again and ask what would be the next scope, start with a plan mod, and then step by step building the whole app. And what is also interesting, and you can see it here, so every time you did something, you commit. And also you can go to the application and open your app here, and also go to the app homepage. And in the app homepage, you can see that we sent 3 prompts, we did 4 commits, and we built 1 feature. And I'm building right now it myself, but if you want to invite a person and work together on different features, but with the same project, you publish it to GitHub, and then you invite to GitHub this person. And surely you then build together and you see all the features that another person built here. You commit, you also run on iPhone, and also you can create TestFlight and connect to App Store and see how it works there. So good luck, guys. Continue building. And ask me any questions in our Discord community. I'll be sharing links in the description of the video. And join us to build together. Cheers!